Hi children, good morning to all. In our last video class, we have seen chapter 13, exercise 13.2. Today, we are entering to the new chapter, chapter 14, volume. Chapter 14, volume. Today, we are going to see chapter 14, volume chapter, exercise 14.1. Okay, ma? Okay, ma'am. What is mean by volume? Volume. What is mean by volume? Volume means the space occupied by something. The space occupied by something is known as its volume. Once I tell you, ma, the space occupied by something is known as its volume. Suppose you have one half-liter water bottle. Okay. The space occupied by something, that means the space occupied by water is known as its volume of the bottle. Okay. Do you understand? Suppose if you have any snacks box, the space, that's a snacks box space occupied by some snacks is known as its volume of the snacks box. Okay, da? Right. So now here we are going to see volume of cube and volume of a cuboid. We have a formulas also for this volume of a cube, volume of a cuboid. We use the formulas, then only we can find the volume of the cube and cuboid. Okay, volume of a cube, the formula is S into S into S cubic units. In our previous chapter, we have seen area and perimeter also, no? Whenever you are finding the area, we are using the unit is square units. Isn't it or not? Square units only, no? Area means you must write square unit. Like that, you are finding the volume means you must write cubic units. Whatever units they give, millimeter, centimeter or meter, anything. But you have to write the cubic units. Okay. Volume of a cube formula is S into S into S. Why here we are using S into S into S? S means side. S means side. Do you know the cube shape already? Cube means that also has the same measurement only in all sides. Same measurement only in all sides, like a rectangle. Rectangle is square. Square is a 2D shape, but cube is a 3D shape, 3-dimensional shape. But it has the measurement of sides all same only. That way here finding the volume means we are using S into S into S cubic units. That's why I write in a short form S into S into S. S means it's a side. Okay. Volume of a cube is S into S into S cubic units. Then volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Cuboid also 3-dimensional shape. It has length, breadth and height. L means it's a length, B means breadth, H means height. We have to multiply this all three. Length into breadth into height, cubic units. Whenever you are finding the volume, you must write cubic units. Okay, ma. Now we can, now we enter to the exercise 14.1. Right. In exercise 14.1. 14.1. First Roman they gave, find the volume of the following by counting the cubes. Take 1 cube equal to 1 cubic centimeter. They gave the cubes. We have to counting the cubes and find the volume of the cubes. Okay. See, first one. Listen, ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here they gave 2 layers. Isn't that? It's a one layer, first layer. This one is a second layer. So 4 plus 4, how many cubes? 8 cubes. So volume of the first picture is 8 cubic centimeter. Already I told you, whenever you are writing the volume, you must use cubic. Here they mentioned the cubes in centimeter, so that's why I am writing the volume in 8 cubic centimeter. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 cubes are the first layer. Same like that in the second layer also it has 4 cubes. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means totally 8 cubes. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means the volume of this cube is 8 cubic centimeter. Right. Then second one. See the B picture. Here also have to count and write the volume of this cube. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here no need to write the down layer because they gave only one single layer only they gave. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So volume of this cube is 12 cubic centimeter. B1 answer. Okay, ma? Then next one. C1. I draw the C picture to here. C1 is the biggest one. First you have to count how many boxes are there in the up and down layer also, how many rows they give, how many layers they give. 1, 2, 3, 4 layers they give. Okay, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many cubes are there, ma? 16 cubes. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. So in the top layer we counted the cubes. So how many layers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 layers are there. That means in each layer it has 16 cubes. Okay. So we have to multiply this 16 by 4 means we can find the total cubes. That means volume of this cube. Okay. So 16 into 4. So what will come? 4 6 are 24 for 4 remaining 2. 1 4 are 4. 4 plus 2 6. So 64 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cube is 64 cubic centimeter. Otherwise, if you want to add the 16 cubes for 4 layer means you can add. So first layer for 16, the second layer 17, 18, 19, 20 like that also you can count. But no need, no, because multiplication is a repeated addition only, so we can multiply it. Okay, no need to again and again you can count. The first layer only you have to count how many cubes are there, then how many layers are there, you can multiply that much means you can get the volume of this cube. Okay, ma? Then next one, D1. See how many rows they gave here. D1, only one layer. That means we can count the top layer means that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No layers. So that's all. So 12 cubes only are there. So volume of this cube is 12 cubic centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, ma? Right? You have to count the cubes and find the volume. That's all. Okay. Here no need to use the formula because they gave it clearly. you have to counting the cubes. First find the volume of the following by counting the cubes. So here no need to apply the formula. Okay, just you count and find the volume, that's enough. Right? See ma, in a first Roman they gave 8 pictures. I find out 4 sums here, volume of pictures. Remaining 4 sums you can do yourself. Then another thing, this 14.1, no need to write in your class of note, that first Roman. Because they gave the space in your textbook itself. Just count and write the answer in your book. No need to write your class of note. But whenever you are opening the class of note, that means from which Roman we are going to write in our class of note, you have to write the heading chapter 14 volume exercise number 14.1. Then one more thing, last week I corrected your class of notes, but many of them did wrongly sums. Why you are doing like that? You are copying from the board only, no? Why you are doing all sums are wrong? And another thing, you have to write the Roman number and exercise number and sum number also correctly. You are writing your wish. What you are thinking, you are writing your wish only. I am writing here, they gave the first Roman, second Roman, but you are writing third Roman, fourth Roman, something. Why ma? Write the exercise number, chapter name and question number also write correctly. Okay? Don't write your wish. Okay ma? So the first Roman no need to write your class of note. You have to copy the answers in your textbook only. That's enough. Then whenever you are opening the chapter 14, you have to write the formulas also. I showed in the chart no what is mean by volume. I gave the explanation of what is mean by volume. The space occupied by something is known as its volume. First you have to write the definition. Chapter 14 volume. Write the volume in color, any color stick, and write the definition of volume. Then afterwards you have to write the 2 formulas, volume of a cube and volume of a cuboid. Then only you write exercise number 14.1 and the remaining Romans. Start your remaining Romans. Okay da? Then go to the second Roman. Okay ma, second Roman, find the volume of the solids given below. In the second Roman also they gave the solid shapes. Write whether the solid is a cube or a cuboid. We are going to do 2 things. First one, we have to find the solid shape is a cube or cuboid. Then second one, we have to find the volume of the cubes. See, in the second Roman onwards, you have to write in your class of note only, because in your previous Roman they gave the cubes, just you counted and write the volume, but here we are going to apply the formula. Okay, right. See the second one. Second Roman, find the volume. And also you have to find cube or cuboid. I write a heading in a short form, but you have to copy from your class of note. Okay. See the A1. What are the measurements they gave? Okay, ma. Listen, the second Roman, first sum. See, here they gave the measurements are 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That means all measurements are equal. That means, what is this, cube or cuboid? Yeah, very good. Cube only. Cube only, all sides has a same measurements. So now we find out it's a cube. First answer, it's a cube. Then second thing, we have to find the volume of this cube. What is the formula to find the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube, what ma? Formula? What I told? Side into side into side. That means S into S into S cubic. What unit they gave? Cubic units only, but here they gave the unit is centimeter. So side into side into side. The sides are 2 into 2 into 2 cubic centimeter. Then you have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of this cube. Likewise, you have to do. Some students, what they will do, they will count it. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 cubic centimeter. That is wrong. You have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, volume of this cube is 8 cubic centimeter and the name of the solid shape is cube. Okay, ma. Then we go to the second one, B1. See the measurements, 2 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. 2, 7, 5. So the measurements are different. That means it's a cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. The solid shape is cuboid. Then next one, we are going to find out the volume of this cuboid. What is the formula to find out the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height cubic units. Okay. Length means L, breadth means B, height means H. Okay, ma'am. So length into breadth into height. So what is now we can apply the measurements in a formula. Cubic centimeter. Now you have to multiply. First I am going to take this 2 and 5 because the multiplication is easy. 2 5s are 10. Then remaining you have 7. Then 10 7s are 70 cubic centimeter. So volume of this cuboid is 70 cubic centimeter. Okay, da. We find out the solid shape, whether if it is a cube or cuboid, it's a cuboid only. Then we are going to find the volume of this cuboid. The formula is volume of a cuboid, L into B into H, cubic units. Here they gave the unit is centimeters only. So now you have to apply the measurement according to the formula 2 into 7 into 5. We multiply, it means we can get 70 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the cuboid. Okay, ma. See, ma, in the second Roman also they gave 4 sums. I work out here 2 sums. Remaining 2 sums you can do it yourself. And another thing, whenever you are opening chapter 14, you have to write the definition of volume. What is mean by volume? You write the definition of volume. Then you have to write the 2 formulas and box it. Volume of a cuboid, volume of cuboid. Then afterwards you can open exercise 14.1. You can write from the second Roman. No need to write the first Roman in your class of note. And another thing, already I told you, whenever you are writing starting from second Roman means you write second Roman only. Don't write number 1. Okay, because you have started from the second Roman only. So write Roman number 2. then you write the questions also correctly, A1 or B1, C1, likewise you have to write it correctly. Okay, then we go to the third Roman. Okay ma, next one, third Roman. Find the volume of some objects which you use every day. Measure the length, breadth and height of the objects and then find the volume. In the third Roman, they didn't give the measurements. They gave some objects. That objects we have to find the length, breadth and height. Afterwards, we find the volume also. Okay, so first one, they gave tiffin box. I measure one tiffin box and find the length, breadth and height. Okay, the length of the tiffin box is 12 centimeter. Then breadth of the tiffin box is 5 centimeter. And also the height is 8 centimeter. So now I am going to apply these measurements in a formula and find the volume of this tiffin box. Okay, so all measurements are different, means the shape of the tiffin box is cuboid shape only. Okay, so I am going to apply volume of cuboid shaped tiffin box. Okay, cuboid shaped tiffin box. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H cubic units. So the measurements are 12 into 5 into 8 cubic centimeter. So first I am multiplying this 5 and 8. 5 8s are 40. So 12 into 40. Then afterwards I am going to multiply these two numbers. So what will come? 2 4s are 8, 1 4s are 4, 0. So 480 cubic centimeter. It's a volume of a tiffin box. Okay. So you write the sum in a full form in your class book note. Right? What I did ma? I take one tiffin box, I measure the length, breadth, height. Afterwards, applying the formula and find the volume of a tiffin box. Okay. Likewise, next one I am going to find the sugar cube. Sugar cube. What is the shape of the sugar cube? In a name also it has the name cube. What is the shape of sugar? Cube. So I am doing the D1. D sum sugar cube. So the length is 4, breadth also 4, height also 4. Here the measurement is they gave in millimeter. Millimeter. Mm means it's a millimeter. Okay da. So all measurements are equal because it's a cube. Now I am applying on the formula S into S cubic units. S into S cubic units. Okay. Here they gave L into L only because it's a sugar cube. So L into L. That means length into length. The formula is S into S. That means side into side. So 4 millimeter into 4 millimeter into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Then remaining 1 4 is there. Then 4 6 are 24. 24 means 4 remaining 2. 1 4s are 4 plus 2, 6. 64 cubic millimeter. So volume of the sugar cube is 64 cubic millimeter. Okay, ma? Because all measurements same only, side into side into side. 4 4s are 16, one more 4 is there. So 16 into 4, 4 6 are 24, 24 means 4, remaining 2, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 64 cubic millimeter. Okay, ma? So copy these two sums. In your book, textbook, they gave up to G sum, but no need to do that all sums. I work out here A1 and D1. You copy these two sums and remaining B and C do yourself. That's enough. No need to work out all sums. Remaining sums you can utilize for your practice. You have tried A, B, C, D. That 4 sums is enough. Okay, ma? Then we go to the next Roman. Fourth Roman. Then fourth Roman also, find the volume. Find the volume. Find the volume of each of the following. They gave the measurements only. We have to find the volume. In a previous Roman, we only measured the length, breadth and height, and also we find the volume. But here in the fourth Roman, they gave the length, breadth, height. Just we are going to find the volume only. Okay. See the first one, A1. A1, they gave the length is 15 millimeter. Then breadth they gave 25 millimeter. Mm means it's a millimeter. Okay, ma? Then height they gave 15 millimeter. Right? Now we are going to apply these measurements into the formula. Volume of cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. What is the formula? L into B into H cubic units. Okay. The length they gave 15 millimeter. Breadth they gave 25 millimeter. Then the height they gave 15 millimeter. Cubic millimeter. Okay. Now we can multiply these numbers. Listen, ma. First I am going to multiply this 15 into 15 because it's a square root table. 15 15s are 225. 15 15s are 225. Then the remaining is 25 is there. So 225 into 25. What will come? 5625. 5000. If you want, you can multiply. Listen, 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, remaining 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 2s are 4. So 5, 2, 6, 5. Listen, 5625 I told, no? So the volume is, here I am writing the volume. Volume equal to 5625 cubic millimeter. This is the answer. Okay, ma? Just you have to know the formula only. If you know the formula, you can find the volume easily. Right? Then, in the same Roman, I am going to do C1, C sum. C1, the length they gave in a C sum 9, then breadth they gave 5, and one more thing, they gave the measurements in meter. 9 meter, 5 meter, Then the height is 11 meter. So this is also volume of cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. H cubic units. So length they gave 9 meter, breadth 5 meter, height 11 meter. Okay, listen now. I am going to multiply this 9 with 11, otherwise 5 with 11. Anything, that is your wish. Okay, da? So 9 with 11. What will come? 9 11s are 99. Then I am take that 5. 5 9s are 45. So 5 remaining 4. Again 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 4 more 49. So 495 cubic meter. It's a volume. This is a volume of the cuboid. 495 cubic meter. Okay. See, in the fourth Roman, they gave A, B, C 3 sums. I work out here A1 and C1. B1 is your homework. You can do yourself. Okay. Then we go to the fifth Roman. Okay, ma. Next one, we are going to fifth Roman. The fifth Roman is, they gave one table and they gave some blanks. So fill in the blanks. See the first one, length, breadth, height, and one more column is volume. For the A sum, they gave the length 6 centimeter, breadth also 6 centimeter, height also 6 centimeter. That means you have to multiply that all measurements, S into S into S. Multiply and find out the volume. That's easy only. You can do it yourself. Then the second one, they gave the length and breadth, but they missed the height. They gave the volume only. So you don't know these kind of sums. So I will work out the B1 now. Okay, da? B1. They gave the length. The length is 7 meter they gave. Breadth they gave 8 meter, but they missed the height. We don't know the height. But the volume also they gave. The volume is 224. Right. Usually, how we will find the volume? We can multiply this all measurement, length, breadth and height means we can find the volume. Is it or not? But here they missed the height. So what we can do? But they gave the volume only here. Length into breadth into height equal to volume. Isn't or not? Here the length they gave 7 meter, breadth they gave 8 meter, height they didn't give, and they gave the volume is 224. Now we are going to find out the height only. So you can keep the height only. Just you first multiply this one. 7 8s are 56 into height equal to 224. Cubic meter. Don't miss the units. Now we are going to find out the height only. Height equal to 224. This side you have now that 56. From the left side to it goes to the right side means here you have a multiplication means it goes to the right side means we have to write in a division. Already I told you know this procedure. Isn't or not? Now you have to multiply this 224 by 56. You can work out on the side ma. 224 divide by 56. See, 2 is the smallest number, we can't do. 22 also smallest number, we can't do. Then we have to take to 224 only. I think 4 6 are 24. So I will try by four times. 4 6 are 24, remaining 2, 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 2 24. Listen, it will come 4 times 224. That means this 4 is the height. What is the height, ma? 4 is the height. So height equal to ma 4 meter. Height equal to 4 meter. You have to work out this full sum, then only we can find out the 4 meter. 4 meter we find out now. Okay, ma? Then likewise another one sum, D1. In a D1 they missed the breadth. See the D1, D sum. Length they gave 14 millimeter. They gave the measurements in millimeter. 14 millimeter. They missed the breadth. This is the length. Breadth they didn't give. We are only going to find out the breadth. Then the height is 7 millimeter. And they gave the volume also. The volume is 1078 cubic millimeter. Right. So this is also cuboid only. You have to use the formula L into B into H equal to volume. So the length is 14 millimeter, breadth we don't know, height is 7 millimeter equal to the volume is 1078 cubic millimeter. Okay, so you multiply this 14 and 7. 4 7s are 28, means 8 remaining to 1 7s are 7. 7 plus 2 9. So 98 into breadth 1078 cubic millimeter. Now we are going to find out the breadth only. So 1078. This 98 will go to the right side, means converted to division. So 98. So we can work out the division on the side, ma. 1078 divided by 98. See, 1 is the smallest number than 98. 10 also smallest number than 98. Then you take another place also. 107. How many 98s are there in 107? One time it will come. 198s are 98. Whenever you are doing the division, you have to write the places correctly. Okay. So borrow from here 17. 17 minus 8, ma, 9 will come. Then 9 is the smallest number than our 98. So bring down the next number. 8 is there. So again one time it will come. 198s are 98. 0. So we find the breadth of the cuboid. We find the breadth of the cuboid. So breadth equal to 11 millimeter. This is the answer. Okay. So likewise remaining two sums you can find out the answer. Okay, ma? You have to work out these sums in your class work note only. Okay. Then we go to the next page. Next Roman. 6th Roman. Match the volume with the edge of the cube. See, ma, the 6th one also little bit difficult only. Okay, ma, the 6th Roman they gave match. That means they gave the volume and edges also. So these all cube only. Match the volume with the edges of the cube. Clearly they gave it's a cube. Cube means we have to multiply the sides only. Is it or not? So 3 times it will come, no? S into S into S. See the first one, they gave the edge is 8. That means you have to work out on the side. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Then 64 into 8. 64 into 8. 4 8s are 32. 32 means 2, remaining 3. 6 8s are 48. 49, 50, 51. 512. Where is 512? See this C1. C1 is the 512 cubic centimeter. That means this is the correct answer for the first one. C option. Okay? Do you understand? Then second option they gave 7. 7 means here also side into side into side only. So 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. So 49 into 7. 63. 9 7s are 63 means 3 remaining 6 ma. 28 ma. 28 plus 6 30 34. 343. See the E1 343. Okay, E1. The second one for E option. 343. Likewise, you have to find out the answers. See the third one. They gave 9. So 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81 into 9. So 1 9s are 9. Then 9 8s are 72. 729. Where is 730? D1 is the correct answer for this one. 729. Okay ma. So likewise you have to find the answers. So 3 sums I work out here. Remaining 2 sums you can work out yourself. And also you have to write these details also. This workout also you have to write on the side. Many of them without the calculation you are doing. That is a wrong method. You must write the calculations on the side. Okay ma. Then we go to the next Romanda. Okay ma. Next one. 7th sum. A brick is 17 centimeter long, 5 centimeter broad. Broad means nothing but breadth only. Okay. Long means nothing but length only. And 5 centimeter high. High means nothing but height only. Long means length. Broad means breadth. High means height. So a brick is 16 centimeter long, 5 centimeter broad and 5 centimeter high. Find the volume of the brick. First we have to find the volume of the brick. And then if 10 bricks are kept in a pile. Pile means likewise one by one. 10 bricks are kept in a pile. They showed the picture also in your textbook. Find the total volume of the pile. Find the total volume of the pile. Okay. Now we can do this sum. You can copy the 7th sum from your textbook ma, because it's a word problem. So you copy the question from your textbook. I work out the answer only here for the 7th one. Solution only I am writing here. So length of the brick. Length of the brick is 16 centimeter. Then likewise breadth of the brick. And height. Of the brick. You write in full form down. Okay. Because the video is going very length. So time is going on. Okay. So 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Volume of the brick. Now we are going to find out the volume of the brick. How we can find out? Length into breadth into height, cubic units. Okay, length they gave 16 centimeter, breadth they gave 5 centimeter, height 5 centimeter, so cubic centimeter. Okay, 5 5s are 25, so 16 into 25. Now you can multiply. 5 6 are 30, 1 5s are 5 plus 3 8, 2 6 are 12, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so 0 10, remaining 1 4. So 400 the volume is, volume of a brick is, volume of the brick is 400 cubic centimeter. We find out the volume of the brick, 400 cubic centimeter. Now what they are asking, they showed one pile, no, 10 bricks. We are going to find out the volume of that pile, 10 bricks volume. Okay, so we can multiply here, volume of 10 bricks. Therefore volume of 10 bricks, simple, we have to multiply this volume by 10, that's all. Volume of 10 bricks equal to 400 into 10. What will come? 1 4s are 4. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 zeros. That means 4000 cubic centimeter. That's all. This is the answer. Okay, ma. We find the volume of brick and volume of that pile. That means 10 bricks volume. Okay, this is the final answer. Do you understand? Right, you have to copy this sum in your class work note along with question. Copy the question from your textbook. Then we go to the next one. Okay, ma. Next one, that 8th one no need to write. 8th sum. Then go to the 9th one. 9th sum. A room is 4 meter long, 3 meter broad and 3.5 meter high. High means it's a height, broad means breadth only. Find the volume of air in the room. They gave one measurement of room. So now we have to find out the volume of the air in a room. Empty space means inside air is there, no? So we are going to find out the volume of the air. Okay, as usual only, you copy some question from your textbook. I am writing the workout, the answer only, solution only I am writing here. 9th one, see length of the room. Length of the room they gave 14 meter. Breadth of the room. Breadth of the room 3 meter. And then height. Height of the room 3.5 meter. Okay, so now we have to find out the volume of the room. That only volume of the air. L into B into H cubic units. So length is 14 meter, breadth 3 meter, height 3.5 cubic meter. So 14 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 3s are 3 plus 1 4. So 42 into 3.5 because it's a decimal. So 2 5s are 10, 0. 4 5s are 20 plus 1 21. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 0. 6 plus 1 7. 4. 1. Then after the multiplication, you have to keep the decimal point after 1 digit, because here they gave 3.5. So after 1 digit, keep the decimal point. That means 147 only. After the decimal point, if you have a 0 means no value for that 0. Okay. So volume of the air. We find the volume of the air. Sorry ma, here they gave 4 meter only. Sorry, see in your question they gave the length is 4 meter only, but I wrote here 14 meter. That means our calculations also we have to change. Just 4 meter only they gave. By mistake I wrote 14 meter. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. That means 12 into 3.5, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. So 0, 6 plus 6 12, remaining 1 4. So after 1 digit you have to keep the decimal point. So 42.0, after the decimal point no value for that 0, so no need to write that 0. So volume of the air. Volume of the air is 42 cubic meter. This is the final answer. This also volume of the room also. Volume of the room also. This 42 cubic meter only. Okay ma. Volume of the, no need to write this sentence also. Volume of the air in the room. Volume of the air in the room. (42 cubic meter). No need to write 2 times. One time is enough. That's all. Volume of the air in the room. They gave the length, breadth and height. We are going to apply the cuboid formula only. L into B into H, cubic units. They gave the unit in meter, so that's why we are writing in meter. So length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter, height 3.5 meter. First I multiply this length and breadth. So 4 3s are 12 ma. Then the height is 3.5. It's a decimal point. So after the multiplication, how many digits they gave in a decimal, you have to count and keep the decimal point. So after 0 you have to keep the decimal point. So after the decimal point no value for that 0. So I strike out that 0. So volume of the air in the room is 42 cubic meter. That's all. Okay. 10th one and 11th one no need ma, that same sum only they repeated. So no need to write the 10th one and 11th one. You have to copy that 7th one and the 9th one, enough. So we completed this exercise 14.1. The next exercise we are going to see 14.2. That's very simple sum only in 14.2. Okay ma. So today class is over. We can see in our next video class. Right? Thank you ma.